kum ka jingpli lat plenty ki khun samla pule ki badon ka sap haki bynta ki bapher nalor ka jingpule jongki haki lenongkot haki kamera kelas ka office jong district sport officer kala penlong ya ka Lympung ya kop pen isap ka blatip kum ka district level chief minister Meghalaya youth engagement program Hajar arpsan ka badai ka sin penlong ka bersau ya kene ka program hari Bhoi district. Ya kene ka program la penlong haka jinge trelang bat ka office u deputy commissioner ka district haka ba hadu lais pa angut tam ki samla pule na ki school bapher ki blawan ban mi khmat na ki santli ki senar di block ki badon haka ne ka district. Haka jingstang jong kene ka program ka blasdang henin ka sengi ka bla penlong ya bun teli ki jinge kop ki bakentop ya ka jinge kop berwai ka jinge kop shat ka jinge kop pen inia bat kuei Uba Meral Bonds im ubri UMLA ke Nongpoh constituency kumukongsan ula bu da ke jingkular ke balong kum ke jing ai mensim yaki samla pule da ke ba un ai arpo Hajar tingka ke song Pisa yaki banra yaka 6 best performance na ke ne ke Lympung jing Yakob. Nalor ke jingon poi jong uba Meral Bonds im kumukongsan laidon lang ru u deputy commissioner ke district u abihla Shibaranwal nangta u additional SP ke district uba O Masar u district sport officer Bhoi district uba Bobby L Nongbet uba RB Shadap ubri president ke RBDSA rengkat u sekretari uba Dipshon Rentathyang u parish priest ke Nongpoh parish u Father Peters Imli lembat kiwei ya kene ka program bynta ke senam la penlong ha parish hall Nongpoh ya ka ba on penkod la syai ke sengi.
But to me personally, it is not bad to be dream, it is not bad to have a good dream. It even positive, but it positive belongs to Shah. It belongs to Nongpoh dengan petik musuh Osno. And in my experience, whatever I dreamt, whatever I imagine, it comes true. The question is that how many of you this morning, when you come for the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, when you will go back from here, you will take back something, good memories, good thought, good example, good lesson that you have dreamt yang waktulah positif dan sejarah di sini. The famous quote of Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. in 1963, when he talked about the dream, it became a reality. When he says, I have a dream that my 4 little children will live in a country where I will not be judged by the color of the skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character. Reverend Martin Luther King Jr., he has a dream that all his fellow citizens in America, especially people who are with dark skin, have been deprived with various facilities and privileges, but due to the effort by this person led from the front, that the dream has been fulfilled. The costume will keep long. Ang ini mentang hidup yang berdidoli kilong akbar, kilong kecil. Apa di Amerika? There is time that we thought that I came from a far-flung villages. I don't know how to sing, I don't know how to speak English. Who can imagine that Malami, Rani, he didn't come back. He can perform really well. Mudah-mudahan mundur. Nga ramut lagi kong ani sadin wanela hormat nasional. Hindi na rin ba? Kakak siya nga. Taka daw, hindi ba postil? Bangilong hindi ba postil? Bangilong. It's a point of form na bangilong. Nama kata, the student, the participant, the pedagogy, this is an example in which each and every one of us we should follow. And as a mark of encouragement to each and every one of you, I'm giving 20,000 to both of them after this program. This is the beginning to encourage. It is not that for everyone who will perform on the stage and sing you have to compare. They have really did very well. They performed very well. And I will entrust Bhoi that in this 3 days program that you are going to participate, if I don't know the prize for the best performer, something like that, there is both male and female too. Okay. Then for the best performer, for the male and female as well, I'm going to give 20,000 at the end of this program, after 3 days. This is an encouragement, so that you won't stop fighting. I know all of you will get, the winner will be only one. Then they happen at home, they should be a goal. The two performers, they already performed in the past, they have reached to a certain height, now they deserve to get something. Nama I should go and also Andre tang kongkanak ang sure di kung sama na sa pagbuhay. But adi laisni na perintah piu di benar sama. Kiba niyo man ako Hajar. Kata dia, kamu kan I'm going to do. But you should know one thing. Ngapain nanti gubun na perintah piu di dunia sports. Maybe football, maybe cricket, maybe basketball, maybe athletics, maybe any other discipline that we have. The state government has just recently announced the Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsperson Direct Appointment Policy to get a job. But you have to do well on a certain tournament or events not below than the national games or any big events. Suppose in the National Game 2027, where Meghalaya is going to host, suppose from our state, there will be athletes who will be getting gold medal, silver medal or bronze medal, they will get direct appointment for job, government job. Do you get video at the point? This is true. Tanpa, hindi Haka in the school and district at that. It should be at a certain level, national games or Asian games or something at the national level. About there is a policy to encourage each and every one of you. This policy has to be there because Meghalaya has produced many sportspersons in various disciplines.
So I request everyone to kindly give a big round of applause for this. I mean, that's what I was discussing with our honorable MLA as well, that, I mean, it's so, I mean, it fills us with so much of pride when we see youth who may not have had that kind of exposure, yet making it big, not just on the state levels, but regional level, country level, as well as international level. And that's the entire objective of CM Youth Engagement Program. To allow expression of the talents, the artistic talent, the sports talent, the literary talents that our youth across this state, but since we are in Bhoi, across the district, I mean, basically that expression comes forward, and to have a multi-level competition system so that the best talents are selected, they are nurtured, and the name that Shillong has earned for years itself, which is law capital of the country, that name gets its endurance, that name is justified, and the talents also get an opportunity to show themselves and shine bright across the country and the global stage. Apart from that, it's to the credit of Honorable CM Sir that he has thought of such a program in which these kind of competitions are not being organized only at the state level, but rather at the block level, so that every talent across the nook and corner of the entire state gets an opportunity to shine equally bright as a talent, let's say, somewhere in the heart of the state or in the center of Shillong.
2014, sorry. And the district level was introduced only in 2019. Now, at the present year, it has been renamed as the Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program. So, I'm thoroughly excited of this edition of the district level to begin. So, we have, inform you sir, we have completed the engagement level programs at all 5 blocks of Bhoi district, where altogether more than 1,000 youths have had the opportunity to participate at this level, at this edition of the block levels competition. So, 68 participants and 2 officials have been selected to represent the blocks, and they are here today. So altogether 350 participants, including officials, are part and parcel of this event today. Interestingly, sir, at the blocks we have witnessed incredible participation, display of talent and skills, showcasing local traditions and innovation, etc. A platform that has not only prepared them to be here, but with minute coaching and guidance by our kind judges in order to exhibit better at this district level. This time, at this level again, sir, one act play drama and a tug of war outdoor activity has been included. I believe through this platform at this district level, it will not only prepare them for the upcoming state level, but motivate the youth of our district in the pursuit of a bright and promising future. Aspire